Hello viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos that will help you in your research. So what was my last video? That was about that how to retrieve data from NCBI virus, and now I'm going to perform blast on that sequence that I have downloaded earlier. Okay, so let's go with it. Firstly we have to enter the NCBI over here. Then go with this National Center of for Biotechnology Information. By clicking on NCBI, we will get this window. Okay, this window tell you about different things like the submit, download, and the learn, all of that things. What we have to do with this, we will go with blast. Okay, and here what will we do? We have to just go with the blast. Fine, blast. Let me tell you that what is blast. Blast is a basic local alignment search tool that is used to compare the protein sequence of the nucleotide sequence and maybe translate the nucleotide sequence into the protein, and the protein into the nucleotide. Okay, we have the nucleotide sequence, so we will go with nucleotide blast, although they have on the different type of the blast as well. Okay, so this window will appear. Fine, and this is a space where we can enter our QD sequence, our sequence of interest, or you can choose your file from where from the file location. Okay, and the blast, here are the different parameters from where you can also select your blast type, like blast N for the nucleotide blast, blast P for the protein blast, and the blast X is for the protein blast that using a translated nucleotide. Okay, and similarly for T blast and the T blast X. If you want to compare or align two or more sequences, then you can check in this box. Okay, and this will give you another space for the sequence where you can simply copy and paste the sequence, or you can choose file over here too. Okay, I have two options over here, that whether I can enter copy paste over here sequence. I have also opened that sequence, okay, that I have downloaded in my last video, and you can even copy from here and paste over the space that is given in your NCBI website. Over here, or you can simply choose your file. Okay, the file has been chosen, and here are some other parameters like the database includes the standard database, RNA-ITS database, genomic, and the transcript database, and the beta coronavirus, all of that things. And we have the nucleotide sequence, so we will go with the nucleotide collection. Okay, and we have another options too, that is a ref genome database for the ref sequences. Okay, and other things also. Now go for the program selection. Fine, and here you have to select the highly similar sequences, because you want to get the similar sequences, the matches over here. Fine, and then check this box, show results in a new window, and then go for blast. This is the new window that tells you about your progress. Okay, that your search is under process. After that you will get this window, and this will tell about the different things about your search. Fine, the most important thing is the molecule tab, that is the DNA, the query length is. Other reports, the dictionary tree of result, that we will discuss in the last. Here is a description. Fine, and description that we got after our by clicking on our search. You can download from here the FASTA in the FASTA format as also like the complete sequence, aligned sequence, and the most probably you have to go with this aligned sequence. Okay, and what is here, this shows that the maximum score, what was the total score was this, and the maximum score was this. It means this sequence has 100% of the query coverage, and what is the e value is 0.0, and identity is in an accession number is this. If you want to get more about the accession number or the sequence, okay, then you can go with by clicking on this accession number. This will let you know about the details. Fine. And this is the extraction criteria. Extraction criteria, thing that you want to include or exclude. If you want to include anything, then you can enter its name, okay, organism name, binomial name, that is the scientific name, taxonomy ID, and the group name, and enter the e value and the query coverage to get your optimal result of your interest, and then go for filter. And if you want to exclude anything, then you have to enter all of these things and just check in this box. Fine. After that, let's discuss about other things too about your results. The graphical summary actually tells about you the alignment scores, that how much the query sequence may be aligned with the subject sequence. Okay, and if it is the scores must, if it is greater than 200, then it will show the right color. And alignment like which kind of alignment, the pairwise alignment, dot alignment, and all of that. This is the most perfect thing, okay, that tells you about the matches, mismatches, and each thing. Like query, that is your sequence of interest, and the subject which and compared, that was compared to the subject, and it matched from 1 to 60 and 1 to 60, 61 to 120, and 121 to 180. Okay, and you can also select the different parameters over here, like the pairwise with dot for identity. This may also will let you know about the different descriptions also. Okay, and you can even download your research over here at the alignment in the different formats, like the FASTA complete sequence, FASTA aligned sequence, and so on. Taxonomy is when you click on the taxonomy, these are the different things like the lineage, organism, and taxonomy. Lineage, in lineage you will get the organism names and their blast time. These are our viruses, their scores, number of hits, and all of their descriptions. And organisms, these are the organisms. Okay, and what about the taxonomy? So these are the sequences that we have selected for our results. When you click on the distant tree of results, it will let you learn about the phylogenetic tree, like the blast tree view. Okay, and I will tell you about the different type of the trees. Okay, these are of two types. So one is the character based trees, and the second one is the distance based tree, and they have the different types too. Okay, so these are the viruses that you have selected. Okay, and being compared with the sequences that are present on NCBI. Okay, hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.